is up? This is Dakota 2121, also known as Era Lace or Fame Lace. What I'm bringing to you guys today is a game review. It is of Motocross Madness, as you can tell right there. I only have the demo version for now, but this will do. Alright, so many of you guys played the game Trials, Evolution, Trials HD, whatever. This is exactly like it. And it just tells you what to do. But difference between Trials and this game is that you actually you can actually move on your own self. You can you can hold B and you drift everywhere. You do wheelies, you know. The difference about this, the difference between this game and Trials, Evolution, or HD is that you're not in a single, in a single, lane type deal. Like how you can do in Trials, you have to be in a single lane and whatnot. You don't have to in this. You can actually do tricks instead of just backflips. And you have boosts that you can use to go off the ramps higher. I would say it's a very good game, I'm not gonna lie. I've played the trial version a lot. I just never went out to get Microsoft points to buy the full version. It's really, that's when you hit Y, I don't know, it's so weird to explain this game because there's so much you can do. I personally would say this is better than Trials Evolution or Trials HD, just because of the fact that you can do more on this game than what you can on Trials. But I mean, as you can tell here, there's a lot you can do more. You can use your own avatar. You can change your angle and what you want to ride as. Cause I mean, a lot of people like to use. Oh well, crap! Just crashed there. But a lot of people like to not be at the angle that you always are on Trials, because it's weird to look at, I guess, because you're too far away. But on this one, you can go all the way down to the ground, ride all the way up, you know, whatever. But after you get done the race, is what usually happens is guy just pretty much celebrates, tells you everything that you unlocked, then it tells you about the actual version of the game that you can obviously get with the full version. And then it brings you up to a menu to which, you know, you can pick whatever you want. But we're gonna go back. The only races you can do is this race and this race, but this is not really a race, it's more of you go around and collect coins that have and skulls. I don't do that because it's not really that good, because I'm not really into that type deal, just more into doing tricks and whatnot. But you guys have played this or you own it and you really like it, and you like it more than Trials, Evolution, Trials HD, you know, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. But if you think this game does look cooler than Trials Evolution, then, you know, leave a link, oh not a link, leave a comment below. I don't know. You can also, in this, you also hit people if they get near you. But these are little coins that you have to collect on the actual regular, the event that I was telling you about. Do nice combos and stuff. I mean, I'm not gonna, it's a really sweet game. Also, if you think I should do more of game reviews, let me know. Next time, try to make it better, you know. Let me know what game I should do next, because I just go out and get them. Fuck, crashed on that one. But, yeah, just let me know, you know. But yeah. Just, the more the coins that you collect is the higher, you know, the more money you get. I don't know, I have a habit of doing tricks low, but when you get near someone, they pop up a menu that tells you what you can do to, you know, hit the people over. Um, you hit X, and to the left on your analog stick, your guy will do that. X to the, well, to the right, you'll do that, like you'll stand up on to the right, and then to the left, you do like, I guess you would say, a Superman, but it's not really Superman, because you don't go all the way back, you just on the side. But X down, uh, that was, so weird, you know. Anyways, you do X down on the left analog stick, your guy does like a weird teabagging thing, I guess you could say, and then X up, they call it as a dragonfly, but it looks kind of like a Superman. But Y up, you do a top spin. Well, it's not, well, I don't know. See, what I call everything and what the game, you know, calls everything these days, everything's all different. But Y down, you do a special flip, is what they call it. Go up to this ramp here. Y to the left. And then boost it here. Y to the right. But yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment, rate, and remember to subscribe. But remember to leave a comment, rate, and subscribe, like I said. Share the video with other people, you know. It's whatever. But after you win the race, your guy, like I said last time, he just dances around. Picture your avatar. I don't understand. The only flaw in this I see would be the end. He doesn't really throw anything in the air. Makes it look like he does, but he throws nothing. But it just shows you the money you won, the tokens, XP, and whatnot. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Deuces. Hey YouTubers, what is up?